皆さん、こんにちは。緑豆です。In this video, you will learn how to use the Japanese particle ni. It is very simple, but there are three different ways. So please listen carefully until end of this video. So what does ni do? First, ni shows direction, where someone or something is going. For example, 学校に行きます. That means I go to school. So this is the second one. What does ni do? Ni also marks a specific time. For example, 7時に起きます. That means I get up at 7. So this is the third one. What does ni do? It's describe location, position, or place with a verb. So for example, バスに乗ります. That means I ride on a bus. And 乗ります is a verb. に to mark bus. There are English words that describes location or position, such as in the room, on the car, around the table. Those words always goes with ni. So I made those location or position word in Japanese and make it as a table. So do you want a free vocabulary table about location and place? There is a link in the description. Hey, have you had a hard time to concentrate while you study? Did you know supplement could help you? If so, you should try Goli, the Ashwagandha sweet gummy, before you study. For more details, there is a special link on the description. You will get 10 to 42% off from the retail price. Hit the link and study smart. All right, quiz time. What is in the blank? 電車乗ります. A お B が C に The answer is C に電車に乗ります. Hey, thank you for watching. Hope you learned how to use ni. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I appreciate your comment and good button too. Again, thank you for watching. See you next time. またね